In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the UE-poppy_playtime game has crashed and will close. First, go to Steam and then find the Poppy Playtime, right click on it and then properties, and then make sure this launch options has nothing in it, and then under installed files, click verify integrity of game files. This will take a few minutes, and after it's done, you can check if it works. If it doesn't work, then what you will do is make sure you exit the game from here and from Task Manager. And so if you see the game here, exit it. And then what you'll do is go to this PC, C drive, program 86, find Steam, and then Steam apps, common. So you should be able to see the game here. So if you see Poppy Playtime, just right click on it and then just delete it. After that, you want to check if it's still here. So you'll just right click and then manage and then uninstall. After uninstalling it completely, reinstall the game and hopefully this should work.